Hello, students. Hope you all are doing great. I'm Achal Chaudhary, working as an assistant professor, EBA department in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management. So, students, I'm back with my online lecture series of company accounts. So, students, it's your lecture number 3 from Unit 2. In previous lecture, we have covered debentures, redemption of debentures, types of debentures, and commission, underwriting commission. So we have covered the theory portion till now. And from today's lecture, we will start solving some numericals for the better understanding of the debentures and underwriting of commission. So let's get started. Illustration number 1. Vishwas Limited issued 2000 9% debentures of 100 rupees each, payable as follows: 25 on application, 25 on allotment, and 50 rupees on first and final call. Applications were received for all the debentures along with the application money. Did allotment was made. Call money was also received on the due date. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of the company. So it's a very easy question from the issue of debentures. So the only thing what you have to do here is whatever the journal entry you was passing at the time of issue of shares, the same journal entry you have to pass here also in the issue of debentures. The only difference will be जहां पर आप शेयर्स लिखते थे in spite of writing the shares you have to write down the 9% debentures. So that's it. आपको सिर्फ इतना change करना है, otherwise there will be no change in the question. So please, I request you all to pause your video here and try to solve this question by your own. So students, this is the solution of your numerical number 1. You have to pass on the journal entries in the books of Vishwas Limited. So first journal entry is bank account debit to 9% debenture application account. So this is a journal entry for application money received when you receive the application money. So students, one thing what I have to tell you here, that is debentures are a kind of loan. So whenever you are applying for the loan and you are getting the money instantly for that you can say for that particular loan, so that will be transferred to your bank account, right? So here if we see bank account is debited, means it is following the general rule of your real account. Bank is your real account. So if we focus on the real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So आपका amount कहाँ पर आ रहा है, loan का amount which you are receiving, that is into your bank account. So bank account will be your debited, right? And second thing what I have to tell you here is there are lot of debentures which a company is having. So 9% debenture means the rate of interest. 9% is the rate of interest which a company will provide on the debentures to the debenture holder. So every debentures will be you can say you can consider it as a name. 9% डिबेंचर्स एक नेम है डिबेंचर होल्डर का, डिबेंचर्स का नेम होता है बिकॉज कंपनी के पास बहुत सारे डिबेंचर्स होते हैं लाइक 8% डिबेंचर्स, 12% डिबेंचर्स. सो इस तरीके से बहुत सारे डिबेंचर्स होते हैं. टू जस्ट रिमेंबर दोज डिबेंचर्स कि ये डिबेंचर कौन से टाइप का डिबेंचर है, उसको रिमेंबर करने के लिए इट इज़ मैंडेटरी टू मेंशन दी percentage of interest, to mention that 9% डिबेंचर और 8% डिबेंचर. इसलिए यहाँ पर 8% 9% जो भी आपका परसेंटेज गिवन होता है, that is important, that is necessary to mention that 9% or percentage here. So please ensure whenever you are solving the question of debentures, you are mentioning that percentage. So 9% debenture means the rate of interest of that debenture is 9%. So वैसा बहुत रेयर होता है that company ask for the journal entry regarding your interest also. अगर interest की journal entry mentioned है कि that you have to pass on the journal entry regarding the interest. So what you have to do is you have to आपको कोई interest rate अलग से given नहीं होगा. इन दैट क्वेश्चन आपको बस इंटरेस्ट रेट में फाइंड आउट करना होगा, परसेंटेज आपको गिवन नहीं होगी। सो परसेंटेज आपको खुद से फाइंड आउट करनी है। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू 9% जो गिवन है, दिस इज योर परसेंटेज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। अगर क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं है कि आपकी परसेंटेज क्या होगी, और मे बी ऐसा क्वेश्चन भी हो सकता है दैट इन शॉर्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इट कैन बी आस्क्ड कि 9% stands for what. So in that case, 9% is your interest of debentures. So first journal entry is your bank account debit to 9% debenture application account. So total there were 2000 debentures and your application money was rupees 25. So 2000 into 25, that is amount 50,000. Next journal entry is 9% debenture application account debit to 9% debentures account whenever you are transferring the amount application amount to the debentures account. So this journal entry will be followed. And one more thing students, अगर आप हो आपको कि जो भी जर्नल एंट्रीज आप शेयर्स के टाइम पर पास करते थे, सेम जर्नल एंट्रीज हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, सेम जर्नल एंट्रीज हम डिबेंचर्स में भी पास कर रहे हैं, राइट। सो डिबेंचर्स की जगह शेयर्स आता था, बैंक टू शेयर, शेयर एप्लीकेशन टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट, इस तरीके से हम लोग सॉल्व करते थे, राइट। सो सब डिफरेंस कितना है, डिबेंचर्स और शेयर्स का वर्ड का डिफरेंस है, अदरवाइज एवरी जर्नल एंट्री विल बी सेम। Next journal entry is 9% debentures allotment account debit to 9% debenture account when your allotment money is due, that is rupees 50,000. Fourth is your bank account debit to 9% debentures account when you receive the allotment money. So as question says that allotment and first and final call, all the amount has been received by the company on the due date, on the whenever the date, whatever the date is mentioned there. So आपको सारी amount receive हो चुकी है, कंपनी को सारा amount receive हो चुका है from each debenture holder. Next is transferring the all amount of debenture allotment, that is your bank account debit to debenture allotment account. You have received the full amount, so you will write 50,000 here. Then 9% debenture first and final call account debit to 9% debenture account whenever the debenture first and final call money is due, you will pass on this journal entry, that is your 2000 debentures at the rate of 50 rupees each. So amount will be 1 lakh. And last journal entry is passing whenever you are receiving the first and final call amount of debenture. So bank account debit to 9% debenture first and final call account. So the amount will be 1 lakh. So this is a very basic question from the issue of debentures. Here all of the amount which was due at the time of allotment and call money. So the all amount you have received, the all overall amount has been received by the company. So students, again here illustration number 2, which is related to your issue of debentures. Raj Limited issued 5,000 8% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 5% payable as follows. Rupees 10 on application, 20 along with premium on allotment and balance on first and final call. Pass necessary journal entry. So students, again it's a very easy question from the issue of debentures. So I hope you can solve this question by your own now, because nothing is different in this question. The only thing that is different, that is your premium, 5% premium. So the same treatment which you were giving at the time of issue shares, the same treatment will be given here, the same journal entry will be passed here. So there is like little bit difference in the shares and debentures. आपको journal entry अगर shares की याद है, then easily you can solve the issue of debentures also. आप easily debentures के question भी solve कर सकते हो. So the only thing what you have to do is you have to focus, you have to remember the journal entries. आप चाहे इशू ऑफ शेयर्स की जर्नल एंट्री याद करो या फिर आप डिबेंचर्स की जर्नल एंट्री याद करो। सो एक भी आप अगर जर्नल एंट्री याद करते हो, सो सेकंड विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली आपको याद हो जाएंगी। द ओनली डिफरेंस आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया कि शेयर्स और डिबेंचर्स में डिफरेंस होता है, अदरवाइज कोई भी चेंज नहीं होता है आपकी जर्नल एंट्रीज में। So here is a solution of your numerical number 2 when you are issuing the debentures at your premium, at the premium. So the journal entries will be in the books of Raj Limited, that is bank account debit to 8% debenture application account. So students, as you can see in previous question it was 9% debentures and here is 8% debentures. So now the rate of interest is 8%. So the amount was 500 debentures, say 10 rupees each. Application money was rupees 10. So you are receiving 50,000. आपको 50,000 की 50,000 की डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन मनी रिसीव हुई है. Then whenever you are transferring that amount to the debenture account, so the journal entry will be 8% debenture application account debit to 8% debentures account, rupees 50,000. Whenever the allotment money is due, so the journal entry will be 8% allotment account debit to 8% debenture account to securities premium account. So 5% was your securities premium, so that will be your 5 rupees, and your total you can say 8% debenture allotment money was your 15 rupees excluding the premium. So a 5,000 into 20 rupees, that was your total amount including premium. So the amount will be 1 lakh. 8% debentures, जब आप exclude करते हो premium का amount, that was your rupees 5. 5 को deduct करोगे 20 rupees में से, then you will get the 15 rupees. So 5,000 into 15, your amount will be 75,000 and securities premium will be 5,000 into 5, that will be 25,000. So, while you are transferring the amount to the debenture allotment account to the bank account, so while transferring the amount to the bank, so you will transfer the overall amount. Here, no journal entry will be repeated for your securities premium. So the journal entry will be bank account debit to 8% debenture allotment account rupees 1 lakh. आप यहाँ पे ओवरऑल अमाउंट मेंशन करोगे. एक बार सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम ड्यू के टाइम पे यू आर मेंशनिंग दैट सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम. After that, while once you have received that securities premium, you will transfer the entire amount 1 lakh entire amount to the bank account. And last journal entries will be 8% debenture first and final call account debit to 8% debenture account whenever the first and final call amount is due. So that was 5,000 debentures into 75 rupees. So that was your amount of first and final call. So the amount will be 3,75,000, and when it is transferred to the bank account, so the journal entry will be bank account debit to 8% debentures first and final call. That is your rupees 3,75,000. So again, your allotment money and first and final call money, all the amount has been received from the debenture holders. So here no entry will be passed for any kind of forfeiture or any kind of oversubscription or under subscription. So it's a normal case again. So all the journal entries will be normally आपको journal entries करनी है. जो अमाउंट ड्यू है वही अमाउंट आपको रिसीव हो गया है. सो नॉर्मल जर्नल एंट्रीज है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा कैलकुलेशन नहीं होगी इसमें. ओके, so students, that's it for today's lecture. In next lecture we will continue with your numerical portion. So here is a question based on today's lecture. A Limited issued 2009% debentures of rupees 100 each on the following terms: rupees 20 on application, 20 on allotment, 30 on first call and 30 on final call. The public applied for 2400 debentures. Applications for 1800 debentures were accepted in full. Application for 400 debentures were allotted 200 debentures, and application for 200 debentures were rejected. Pass necessary journal entry. So it's a very easy question. ये over subscription का question है students. What you have to do is 1800 को you will give allot the 1800 share debentures as it is. आपको 1800 debentures apply दे देने हैं, allot कर देने हैं. The person who have applied for 400 debentures, आपको उनको 200 debentures provide कराने हैं, 200 debentures allot करने हैं, and the application of 200 debentures को आपको reject करना है and you will pay back the amount through the bank. So this is how you have to solve this question. And still, if you face any difficulty in solving this question, then do let me know. I will try to arrange a doubt session for you as soon as possible. So just do let me know about your doubts. Thank you so much for your time. Stay tuned for more videos.